Good day, everyone. Our group will discuss about the latest technology that contributes to the field of health and wellness, as well as its relevance to the society and the environment. The technology device we choose is the non-contact infrared thermometer.
So who is the person behind this technology?
Non-contact infrared thermometer was developed and evolved over the years. William Herschel of the United Kingdom discovered infrared radiation in 1800. Remote heat sensing took a long time to develop. During the 1930s and 1940s, this technology was put into practice, expedited by the military's needs during World War II. Thermal imaging became available to medical and industry in the late 1950s. Once infrared technology was declassified, despite the fact that the early systems were slow scanners, it became obvious that the temperature distribution of a human subject or an item could be recorded.
How non-contact infrared thermometer thermal technology developed? Due to the disadvantage of traditional mercury thermometers, such as longer measurement time and necessity of contact with the human body, a temperature that uses infrared sensor to detect temperature without contact is designed. The infrared temperature sensor MLX90614 is designed to collect human or object temperature by the SEM to process the temperature into the LCD display and alarm when over temperature. Using software designed to complete the control of the system, the smart thermometer can achieve non-contact measurement. Place the thermometer in the forehead for a few seconds to get the body temperature. To alarm once the set value is exceeded, the design temperature range is 0 to 55 degrees Celsius and temperature resolution is 0.1 degrees Celsius.
The usefulness of non-contact infrared thermometer. Non-contact infrared thermometer have become a popular choice for conducting health screenings amid the COVID-19 pandemic. This tool can be used for: first, it can be used for detecting infrared radiation and measuring the surface temperatures of people and objects from afar. Second, it can be used to sense elevated skin temperature, a proxy for core body temperature, and thus identify people who may have a fever. And lastly, it is used for screening and monitoring the body temperature of a person in response of COVID-19.
The non-contact digital infrared thermometer are not perfect. However, it can help control COVID-19 in many ways, and that includes the need to check or measure body's temperature contactless and quickly in this time of pandemic. However, limits and measurements of this device is not well known, and technical scientific literature itself provides a conflicting reference value on body temperature. Hence, it needs to be periodically recalibrated to ensure that the body temperature that they are providing is the actual temperature of the people or an object. The sustainability of this device mainly depend on its accuracy. The non-contact digital infrared thermometer is affected by several factors, and that includes the distance from the target. Thus, its functions and settings can affect its accuracy. Nevertheless, it allows for fast, contactless screening body temperature that is sustainable in this COVID-19 pandemic to avoid the spreading of the contagious disease without compromising the safety of everybody's health.